First thing you're gonna need to do is remove this safety wire. You're gonna pull on this tab to pull it forward, and off and around, off it comes. To get the rear nut off, you're gonna need this 55mm socket that I got off of Amazon, plus the biggest breaker bar you can find, also off Amazon. Put it on the nut, about 12 o'clock position. Make sure the bike's in gear, hold the rear brake hard, and push. There it goes. The rest you can do by hand. Grab the wheel, pull it out, get it back just a little bit, rotate around, and it's off. Have the bike in gear. Put your socket wrench on. Once it gets a little bit of pressure, hold the rear brake and give it a good ugga. That's enough. To reinstall the safety wire, you're going to first look and see which one of these holes lines up with some light behind it. Then you're going to get this part of the safety wire lined up with that hole. Spread it out by your bare hands. Don't put it in the hole yet. Just line it up and she's back on.